Students, how are you? Today we'll solve a lot of questions from المتميز book. Okay, question number 1. The number of vertical layer is 2. We have 2 vertical layer here. Write 2 in the space. Question number 2. 3 over 12 times 3 over 8 times 2 over 6 equal 3 over 12 multiplication by 3 over 8 multiplication 2 over 6 equal space. You can simplify this example. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 divided by 6 equal 1. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 1 times 1 times 1 equal 1. And 4 times 8 times 1 equal 32. The result about question number 2 will be 1 over 32. Question number 3. Scaling triangle has 3 different sides. 3 different sides. Scaling triangle has 3 different sides. Next question. Question number 4. 4 and 4 over 8 multiplication space over 8 equal 4.5. We know 4 and 4 over 8 equal 4.5 by divided by 4 numerator and denominator. 4.5 multiplication by 1, it will be 4.5. So we must write here 8 because 8 divided by 8 equal 1. Write in the space here 8. Question number 5. 2 over 8 multiplication 3 multiplication 2 over 6 equal 2 over 8 multiplication by 3 multiplication 2 over 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 divided by 6 equal 1. 1 times 2 over 8, it will be itself, and 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. The result will be 1 over 4. About question number 5. Question number 6. 100 over 100 equal 1. 1 times 5 and 6 over 12. It will be 5 and 6 over 12. We can simplify it by divided by 6 numerator and denominator. Or 6 half of 12. The result will be 5 and half. Question number 7. 3 and 2 over 5 multiplication by 5 equal 5 times what? He used here commutative properties. 3 and 2 over 5 multiplication by 5, it will be 5 multiplication by 3 and 2 over 5. Okay, write this number here again using commutative properties. About question number 7. Okay, question number 8. 2 over 5 multiply 3 equal 6 multiply 1 over 5 because 3 times 2 equals 6 and 6 over 5, it will be 6 multiplication by 1 over 5. Number 9. 3 over 2 times 12 over 24. 12 over 24, it's a half. 12 half of 24. 3 over 2 multiply 12 over 24. It will be 3 over 2 multiplication by half. 1 times 3 equal 3. 2 times 2 equal 4. The result will be 3 over 4. The figure name is cylinder. We called it cylinder. Okay, question number 10, cylinder. Question number 9, 3 over 4. Question 11, 2 over 11 multiplication space equal 3 over 11. To find the result here, you must divide 3 over 11 by 2 over 11. Okay, 3 over 11 divided by 2 over 11 equal what? 3 over 11 here. Convert from division to multiplication and write the inverse about second fraction here. It will be 11 over 2, and then 11 divided by 11 1, 11 divided by 11 equal 1, 1 times 3 equal 3, 1 times 2 equal 2, so we must write here 3 over 2. You must write 3 over 2, okay? Clear with you, okay? Question number 12. Space time 3 over 8 times 2 over 6 equals 3 over 8. We know 3 over 8 here, and 2 over 6 multiplication inverse, it will be 1. We must write here 6 over 2. 6 over 2, okay? 6 over 2 multiplication by 3 over 8 multiply by 2 over 6. It will be 3 over 8. Why? Because 2 over 6 multiplication 6 over 2 equal 1. This is the inverse, multiplication inverse about this fraction. Then you must write in the space 6 over 2 about question 12. Okay, question 13, 2 over 3 multiply space equals 6 over 12. We know 6 over 12 equal half. Then 2 over 3 multiply what equal half? Who can tell me? You can write here 3 times what? 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 4 equals 12. In the first step, 3 times 4 equals 12, and 2 times 3 equals 6. Then the result will be 3 over 4. Okay, write 3 over 4 here. Question 14. Question 14. The volume about this shape, we have length and width and height. Length here was 3 units, and width was 2 units, and the height 2 units. 3 multiply 2 multiply by 2. 3 and 2 and 2. Okay, 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. So this side 3 and 2 units. 3 units and 2 units is the volume. Length times width times the height. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 equal 12 square units. Or he asked about step what? Write 3 times 2 times 2. Okay, look at here. We have 3 in the base, 3 height here, length 3, and width 2, and the height 2. Question 15. Space times 5 over 6 equal 10 over 24. We know 5 times 2 equal 10, and 6 times 4 equal 24, and you can write this number in the simplest form. It will be half. Half times 5 over 6 equal 10 over 24, because 10 over 24 you can simplify it by divided by 2. It will be 5 over 12. 5 over 12 equal 5 over 6 multiplication 1 over 2. So you must write half in the space. You must write 2 over 4 is the first step, and then you can simplify it by divided by 2, numerator and numerator. The result will be 1 over 2. Question 16. Space triangle has 3 acute angles and 0 right angle. We called it the acute angle triangle. Right, acute triangle. Okay, question 16, acute triangle. Question 17, 3 over 5 multiply 1.5 multiply by 30 equal, we know 1.5 equal 3.2, 3 over 2, right? 3 over 5 and 3 over 2 multiply by 30. Look at here, 2 times 5 equal 10. Okay, 2 times 5 equal 10. 30 divided by 10 equal 3. 3 times 3 times 3 equal 27. So the result will be 27. The volume, if the volume equal 1200 cubic centimeters in the measured dimension here, we want to find the width. Width equal volume over length times height. Okay, we can find the width about this cuboid by divided the volume 1200 over 20 multiplication by 10. 1200 over 200, the result will be 6. You can cancel double 0 by double 0. 12 divided by 2 equals 6 centimeter. Question 19. 4 over 11 multiplication space equal 4 over 11 plus 4 over 11 plus 4 over 11 plus 2 over 11. In this example, we can find the result by right hand side, and then we can find the space here by 4 multiplication by over 11. Look at here about steps. We have 4 over 11 multiplication by what? Because the result 4 over 11 times the space equal 4 over 11 plus 4 over 11 plus 4 over 11 plus 2 over 11. We know 4 over 11 space equal, we have 4 over 11 here 3 times, we can find 3, 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 3 times 4 equal 12 plus 2 over 11. Or you can find the total in one step. Write 11 here, 12 times plus 2 equal 14. Okay, my students, 14 over 11, and here 4 over 11. We can multiplication by 11 to cancel this denominator, or if you want to find the result here, you must divide it 14 over 11 by 4 over 11. 14 over 11 divided by 4 over 11. Convert from division to multiplication and then write the inverse here. Write 14 over 11 multiplication by 11 over 4. 11 divided by 11 equal 1, and 14 divided by 4, we can simplest the result by divided by 2, numerator and numerator. 14 divided by 2 equals 7, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. The result will be 7.2. It will be 3.5. We can write here in this space 7 over 2 or 3.5. Question 20. 3 and 3 over 5 multiplication space equal 1. Write 5 here. 3 times 5 equal 15. 15 plus 3 equal 18. We convert from mixed number to improper. 3 plus times 5, 15 plus 3 equal 18. 18 over 5 multiplication, 5 over 18 equal 1. We must write 5 over 18 in the space. Question 21. 3 and 2 over 3 multiply 1 over 5 equals space times 3 plus space times 2 over 3. We're using here distributive properties to find the result. Three and 2 over 3 multiply 1 over 5 equal space times 3 plus space times 2 over 3. 3 times by 1 over 5 and 2 over 3 multiply 1 over 5. We can write here 1 over 5 in the first space and second space. Here 1 over 5 and here 1 over 5. Question 22. 15 minutes equal 4th hour. 15 minutes equal 4th hour. 4th hour. Okay. Question 23. Okay, 23. 24. 2 divided by 4 equal half or 0.5. 25. Question 25. 23 divided by 4. Write this number in the simplest form by convert to mixed number. 23 over 4. Write 4 in the numerator. 4 times 5 equal 20 and the remainder by 3. 5 and 3 over 4 or 5 and 75 hundredths. Question 26. 34 divided by 5 Question 26. 34 divided by 5 equals 6 plus space. You know, 34 divided by 5 equals 34 over 5. Write 5 here in the numerator and 5 times 6 equals 30 and the remainder by 4. So you must write in this space 4 over 5. 34 divided by 5 equals 6 plus 4 over 5. Because 34 divided by 5 equals 6 and the remainder 4. 27. 40 divided by space equal 4 and 4 over 9. 40 divided by space equal 4 and 4 over 9. You can convert this number from mixed number to improper. 4 times 9 equal 36. 36 plus 4 equal 40. So 40 divided by 9 equal 4 and 4 over 9. Write 4 in the space. Question 28. 18 divided by half equal 18 multiplication by 2. Write the inverse about half here will be 2. Question 29. The measure of the central angle here equal 180. 180 degree. It's the half of circle. And we want to find the quarter of circle. It will be 90 degree. And 3/4 of circle, it will be 270 degree. The measure of the central angle about half of circle equal 180 and half of the circle or fourth of the circle equal 90 degree and 3/4 equal 270. Question 30. 4 over 11 multiplication what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here. He repeated 4 over 11 3 or 4 times 4 times. We must write here 4 in the space. Question 31. D divided by 1 over 5 equal half. Then D equal what? To find the dividend here, you must divide it. What? This number or this number? We can find the multiplication about them. To find the dividend equal divisor multiplication by the quotient. So D would be 1 over 5 multiply 1 over 2, so D will be 1 times 1 equal 1 and 2 times 5 equal 10. The result will be 1 over 10. It's D. D will be 1 over 10 right here. Question 32. 1 over 7 divided by n equal 1 over 21. We can divide it by 3 to find the result in the simplest form. Right here 3. 1 over 7 divided n equal 1 over 21, then n equals 3. 6 divided by f equal 24, then f equal what? We know 6 times 4 equal 24. So 6 divided by 1 over 4 equal 24. You must write here 1 over 4 in the space about question 33. Question 34. Any triangle has at least 2 acute angles. Any triangle has at least 2 acute angles. Question 35. Volume of cuboid equal space cube units. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cube units. Write 4 here. Question 36. Space triangle has 3 acute angles. Acute, write acute here. Acute triangle has 3 acute angles. 1 over 6 plus 3 over 6 in the simplest form. It will be 4 over 6. We can simplify it by divided by 2. It will be 2 over 3. 4 over 6 equal 2 over 3. Question 38. Color force of the circle. Force of the circle. We have circle here divided 4 parts, and he divided this part equality. You must color this part about force of circle. The measure of right angle triangle. The measure of right angle equal 90 degree. Right equal here. The sum of all decimals in one circle equal 1. Equal 1. All decimals in a circle equal 1. The sum of all decimals in a circle is 1. The measure of an obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. The triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. The simplest form of this fraction 2 over 24. We can divide it by 2. Here it will be 1 over 12, the simplest form. The area of the opposite square units here, we can find the lengths times widths. 3 the lengths, and the widths 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 times 7 equal 21. 21 square units here. The sphere has 0 vertices, right? 0 here. The measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. Is less than 90 degree. 2 over 6 multiply 2.5 equal. It's meaning 5 over 2. And then we can cancel 2 over 6 multiply 2.5. It will be 2 over 6 multiplied by 5 over 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 1 times 5 equal 5, and 1 times 6 over equal 6. The result will be 5 over 6. Right here, face. Face is a flat surface of a solid figure. 5 over 8 times force 0.4 equal force. We can find the result here. 5 over 8. Look at here about steps. Multiplication by 0.4 equal space. We know 5 over 8. 0.4, it's meaning 4 over 10. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Okay. and then 5 times 1 equal 5, or 5 divided by 5 1, 10 divided by 5 equal 2, 1 times 1 equal 1, 2 times 2 equal 4. The result will be 1 over 4. Question 3. Collateral triangle has 3 equal sides. Volume divided base area equal height. Volume divided width multiplication by height equal length. 2/3 year equal 8 months, because 1 year equal 12 months. We can write here 2 over 3 year. Meaning 2 over 3 multiplied by 12, because 1 year equal 12 months. 12 divided by 3 equal 4, 4 times 32 equal 8. If the volume of cuboid 400 cubic centimeter, its length 10 centimeter, and its height 5 centimeters, then its width equal. We can find the width. This rule, width equal volume over length times height. He gave us the volume 400 and length 10 centimeter and height was 5. So the result will be 400 over 5 times 10 equal 50. You can cancel 0 by 0, and 40 divided by 5 equal 8 centimeter. Width equal 8 centimeter. A circular sector is a part of a circular region. We call it what? Circular sector. Such that this part, we called it circular sector. The colored part represents here 3 over 4 of the circle, 3 forces. Color half of the circle, we must color this part. 30 divided by 3, 1 over 3 equal 90. We can divide it 30 divided by 1 over 3, write 30 here, multiplication by the inverse about 3 equal 3, 3 times 30 equal 90 degree. Right here 90. Space divided by 5, 1 over 5 equal 25. To find the dividend here, you must multiplication the quotient by the divisor. 25 multiplication 1 over 5, it will be 5. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. The sum of all fractions of circle equal 1. 7 and 8 over 8 is equivalent to 8, because 8 over 8 equal 1. 7 and 8 over 8 equal 8, because its meaning is 7 plus 8 over 8, and 8 over 8 equal 1. 1 plus 7 equal 8. The result will be 8. 90 seconds equals space minutes. To convert from second to minutes, you must divide it by 60. 90 seconds equals space minutes. To convert from seconds to minutes, you must divide it by 60. 90 divided by 60 equal what? We can cancel 0 by 0 divided by 10, numerator and denominator. It will be 9 over 6 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. 3 over 2, we can write 2 in the numerator. 3 divided by 2 equal 1, and remainder 1. The result will be 1.5. So 90 seconds equal 1.5 minutes. Smallest same denominator of 4 and 3 over 8 equal 8, because 8 can divide it by 4. And here 4 divided by, or 1 over space equal 2 over 8. 1 over space equal 2 over 8. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 4 divided by 8 divided by 2 equal 4. We must write 4 here. Estimate the sum 1 over 6 plus 6 over 7 by using benchmarks. We know 1 over 6 and 6 over 7 will be here 0. 1 over 6 approximating about benchmarks will be 0 because 1 nearest to 0. Okay, and 6 nearest to 7. 7 divided by 7 equal 1, so the result will be 1. The least common multiplication of two denominator 4 over 5 and 2 over 25 equal 25 because 25 can divide it by 5. Over 9 subtract 3 over 9 equal 1 over 3 in the simplest form because 6 minus 3 equal 3. Look at here, 6 over 9 minus 3 over 9 equal what? Right, 9 in numerator, and 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 over 9 we can simplify it by divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. The result will be 1 over 3 is the simplest form. 7 over 9 plus 2 over 9 equal 1. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Here AB equal 4 centimeter, and then EC equal 4 and BC 4 centimeter because we called it equilateral triangle. 3 and 1 over 8 plus 7 over 8, we can simplify this example by 8 to the same fractions here. 3 and 1 over 8 plus 7 over 8, write 3 here, and 8 in the numerator, 7 plus 8 equal 1 equal 8, 8 over 8 equal 1, 1 plus 3 equal 4, write 4 here. Or subtract 2 over 6 equal 1 over 3, then the value of R equal what? To find the median here, we must add subtrahend to the difference. We must add them to find the median here, and then write 2 over 6, write 6 in the numerator, 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 1 equal 2. The result will be 4 over 6, and then you can simplify it by divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. The result will be 2 over 3. One over 4 plus 3 over 4 equal 1 minus 0 because the total number here will be 1. 1 subtract by what equal 1? 1 subtract by 0. 1 over 12 year equal 1 months. Because to convert it from year, 1 year to months, you must divide it by 12. 2 and 4 hours equal 2 hours and 15 minutes. 24 months equal 2 years because 1 year equal 12 months. 120 seconds equal 2 minutes. 1 second equals 60 minutes. 3 over 2 times 2 equal 3. 2 and 2 over 5 multiplication by 3 equal what? We can find the result here. 2 and 2 over 5 multiplication by 3. Write 5 here in the numerator. 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 plus 2 equal 12 times 3. Okay, you can simplify it. 3 times 12 equal 36. 36 over 5. And then 5 in the numerator. 5 times 7 equals 35, and the remainder 1. Result will be 7 and 1 over 5. Question 80 or question 79. Question 79 here we have 8 over 9 multiplication 0.125 equal space. We know this number it will be 1 over 8, and then you can cancel 8 by 8 equal 1, 1 times 1 equal 1, 1 times 9 equal 9. The result will be 1 over 9. 1 subtract 3 over 8 subtract 2 over 8 equal what? You can convert 1 here to 8 over 8 to find the like denominator, and then 8 minus 3 equal 5, 5 minus 3, 8 minus 3 equal 5, 5 minus 2 equals 3. The result will be 3 over 8. Color 8 of circle. this circle. We can cancel or colored. We can colored here because you asked about colored each. You called it this part each of the circle.